What's going on, buddy? Where are you from?
Lynchburg, Virginia.
Hi, everybody from Virginia. Lynchburg, Virginia. George Gray, next prize, please.
It's a steam shower. Relax in this revolutionary shower featuring a built-in steam room, tub, pressure massage, TV, stereo system, hands-free phone, and even a refrigerator for cold drinks. MyBathUSA.com.
Steam shower, thanks for a steam shower with a refrigerator built in. Why would you get out of the shower ever? It's got TV in there, radio, refrigerator. It's pretty nice. It's the first number is correct, the 5. The last number is correct, the 7. Just get rid of the 2, the 0, or the 4.
We're gonna go to the 0, Drew.
Get rid of the 0. Goodbye, 0. Kyle needs this steam shower. Come on, you're a winner! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Go sit out your steam shower. Yeah, I think it's great. Worth every penny. $5,247. More pricing games coming up in the second half of the price of right all over.